Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and I'm just going to show you one of our new books, He Huarako, which means fruit. So in this book I've shown you how to say 27 fruit in Te Reo. On each page there are 3, and the story, which is also a song, is He aha te huarako tino pai kia koe. Which fruit do you really like the best? So it's a good one for children to talk about fruit, the names of fruit, and maybe talk about the fruit that they like the best. And in this case, it's watermelon. Why merengi that this person likes the best. All the way through there are lots of pictures about all the different places that we find fruit. So I know you'll love this book. If you would like to purchase it, you can go to our website at www.tereosingalong.co.nz, and if you'd like to see any of my videos about Te Reo pronunciation, that's at patreon.com/Sharon Holt. Ka kite!